Hi everyone, this is Abrar. Welcome to Abrar Knowledge channel. Today we are going to see part 2 of Google Form. In the Google Form in part 1 we saw how to build the questions. Yeah, set of questionnaire, how to build it. For example, set of question include like how to inbuild the calculation, inbuild the right answer. At the end, how do we get the summary and how do we get the nice dashboard and all that. That's what we saw in part 1. Part 2 is even more interesting thing where we are going to see a how to create the how to generate the certificate. Gonna be very interesting. Please stay tuned till the end. You will get the amazing piece of information. Let's have a go. So just like for Google Form, you can take any browser. You can take Internet Explorer or Chrome or Mozilla or Edge or anything you can take. I'm comfortable with Google. I mean Chrome. I'm gonna take it Google Chrome. Just have a go, and I have made it already a bookmark. So just have a Google it out like Google Form, and you will get it. And this one, I'm going to quickly go through the only the output part, how to generate the certificate. To generate the certificate, you click more, right? So wherever you find three dot, it means it signifies, it symbolizes that it is additional info, right? Three, and then you have a preview and some precursor options like settings, undo, star, make a copy, and you can create this template, move to folder, move to trash, and get pre-filled link, and so on and so forth, and add collaborator and add-ons and so on. So this is the one which we are going to use it to generate the certificate. This is the button, way to button, we need to click it. Just click OK, and this is the the information you will get it, send certificate. So if you're doing it first time, this option will not be available for you. You have to download it. It is not a big application. It will add it in your browser anytime. You can just pick it up and have a send it. So just select one and then you can give start. So now the emailer or the template is going to pull out. Okay, this is the template is being pulled out. For example, if you wanted to see how to send a sample email, if you click it, the sample email will come to your email where you can evaluate and all that. So that I generally prefer to do directly in this one. So directly in the certificate itself. So let me show you what are the ribbons we have. There are 5 buttons we have. One is called send, one is called email, mail, one is called certificate, one is called record, which is called pro. Pro meaning like a certified version, right? And you can just subscribe it and all that. So this is very critical step, on off. So it currently it is off. Off meaning like emailer will not go. So you have to turn it on. The add-on was successfully turned off, right? So we have to turn on, right? So to do a turn on, let me just turn on. So now the emailer will be ready, the certificate will be ready, right? So how to pick up the format? Go to email, and in the email you can customize it. Sender name, I'm gonna put Abrar Knowledge, and CC Abrar my email ID, and I'm gonna customize the mail subject. Wherever you find these things closing and open bracket, that means it is inside, it will get pasted, the same value will get pasted in your certificate. For example, form name, the form name is Google Form demo, that's a form name, right? That will get pasted. If you change that one, let's say you are changing to Google Form certificate, that means certificate will get it will get this time your form will contain the word called Google Form certificate. Like this you can do. So if you wanted to do congratulations and your score, maybe I wanted to pick it up their score also as well, like you can do that score also as well. Let me do that, or you can just straight away say congratulations. And okay, if pass, logic gate, actually if pass, this is the emailer goes like, yeah, dear unknown, This is the common Google gives the wording. Congratulations, you have passed the exam. I just added my signature. That's it. And you can see failed, good try. There was another word. I just made it like good try. Again, form name will come and the emailer, the content is given. If you wanted to customize this content, you can do that. Okay, certificate. This is very interesting part. Yeah. So in that, so you can set the passing criteria. Let me set it up 85. Yeah. So T3 template, you can select all these template. If you wanted to browse that, what are the template, preview all templates. I'm just gonna go with the T3 because T3 comes with red and white fonts. It looks very, very stylish. So I'm gonna go ahead with this. And file format, PDF or image. So I'm gonna give PDF for the better compatibility. And email, I'm gonna send it. And time zone I have selected, and date format I have selected. And that's it. If you wanted to get the summary in the email, this is where you can get it. For example, if you wanted to have all the records in this one, you can have it. Pro version is a licensed version. Okay, and all set to go. Let's see, we're gonna go and trigger this email as such. Let's trigger. Okay, this is the score I have. Let's say I have already taken this survey. Okay, just let me just trigger this survey now. So you can also download and download all the responses and all that. You can do that. And if you want, if you need to get a notification, email notification whenever the user completes it, you can also get this notification also as well. Okay, so let me take one survey and show you like quickly. I will show you how you will get the certificate. Let me just paste it. I'm just going as a user, not as an admin, like as an user. Like this is the user form, you will get it. In the user form, I'm gonna give my name. And you remember that if this is signifies, the same thing is gonna come up in your certificate, right? So I'm just gonna keep it, my name is Abrar, and then you're gonna keep next. And these are all technical questions I have already covered up in ISO in my previous video. I'm just gonna go over quickly, as quickly as possible. I'm just interested to show only the output and how to create, get the certificate, right? So this is in my previous video, I have already talked about this version. Please take a look if required. And this is categorized by both events and impartiality of the audit, true. And then if you wanted to customize the form, you can do that. Nitpicking is not a good audit. And then second party, and then so look for is useful for to create a checklist, and all verified, and then send submit. So this, remember that this is I'm using as a end user. So you will get this form and view score, and then you will have the what is the right answers. All these you will get it. So all income in 20 out of 20, all in green and all that. Okay. So let's go back to our form. I must have this. Now you can see response 2. That means recently I have added, right? It has come. Let's see whether we have got an email. Yeah. So just go to your email, and I'm gonna go to my email and check whether I have received this one or not. Okay, and one second, let me go back. Okay, I'm just gonna go over here. It's loading up, and yeah, there you go. So it has generated the certificate. So this is how I have got the certificate, right? Congratulations, Google form. That's a list name. How to create a certificate. Dear Abrar, congratulations, you have passed the exam with 100%. Your certificate is attached. For example, if you wanted to see, this is the, you remember that it has taken the values from here, and Google form, the score, passing criteria was 85, and this is the date and all that. So that is how you generate the certificate. And remember that, just to give a quick recap, so you have a 3 dot in your Google form, and then scroll down, you have add-ons, right? When you do that, you can just customize. There are 5 window comes where first one is you can have that emailer notification turn on, and then you can pick up the template and then you can customize the message and then have you use it. I hope this video is very useful for you. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have a wonderful day ahead.